Picture yourself standing alone in a bustling tavern, the clink of cups and murmur of voices fading as your heart sinks. She's across the room, radiant, surrounded by admirers, yet you feel unseen. You've poured your soul into gestures, words, efforts to win her attention, but her gaze drifts past you, drawn to men who seem to command her desire without trying. What's their secret? What if, through Stoic philosophy, you could master 10 hidden weaknesses that make women crave your presence, not your pursuit? This isn't about deceit. It's about forging a Stoic mindset that ignites respect, sparks desire, and builds a life of inner strength. Say aloud, "I'm unbreakable," to join this journey of self-improvement. And let's craft a Stoic reign that reshapes your reality. At Stoic Reign, we blend Stoic philosophy with timeless truths about human connection to fuel personal development. Today, we unveil 10 psychological triggers that shape how women respond to men, empowering you with wisdom to lead, not chase. In a world of endless distractions and fleeting bonds, men face trials where one misstep dims their light. Yet Stoicism offers a shield, teaching you to master your mind, not her whims. Seneca said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Through 10 weaknesses, vivid stories, and 4 Stoic exercises, you'll wield emotional intelligence to navigate relationships with resilience. Say, "I'm unbreakable" now, and let's forge a life no woman can ignore. First, spark an emotional adventure. Imagine a quiet marketplace, her eyes scanning the crowd, weary of men who offer predictable flattery. Women don't seek logic. They crave a man who draws them into an emotional adventure. Most men blend into the noise, agreeing with her every word, providing comfort, but no thrill. Marcus Aurelius taught, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." Spark contrast. Challenge her views with wit. Share a tale of a daring journey, not idle chatter. Let moments of silence build anticipation. This Stoic philosophy crafts an experience that fuels self-improvement, making her feel alive. Second, stand firm in your values. Now, picture her testing you. She changes plans at the last moment, expecting you to follow. Most men chase, pleading for her time, but women respect those who stand firm. In a sea of wavering souls, a man with clear values shines. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters." Respond with calm. Let's meet when it suits us both. Honor your commitments. A craft, a duty, a pursuit. This Stoic mindset signals self-reliance, earning her respect and deepening connections, a cornerstone of personal development. Third, kindle mystery with depth. Envision her waiting for your words, expecting eagerness, but you're silent, immersed in your purpose. Predictability dulls desire. Controlled mystery kindles it. Women seek a man who keeps them guessing, not with chaos, but with depth. Seneca warned, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Share sparingly, let her wonder about your thoughts. Stay focused on your path, unmoved by fleeting distractions. This emotional control creates a dynamic where she pursues you, strengthening resilience and inner peace. Fourth, lead with conviction. Consider a shared moment. Most men ask, "What do you wish to do?" Seeking approval. A Stoic leader says, "Join me at the river's edge. The view will stir you." Women admire confident decisions, not arrogance. Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action." Make choices, where to go, what to pursue. With conviction. Disagree respectfully when paths diverge. This Stoic philosophy builds trust, showing purpose over passivity, amplifying self-confidence. Fifth, thrive without her validation. See yourself thriving. Mastering a skill, exploring a wild path, your life vibrant without her validation. Women don't want to be your world. They long to join a world already thriving. Epictetus taught, "Freedom is the only worthy goal in life. Keep your mission first. A trade, a quest, a creation. Share your journey, not your need." This Stoic mindset makes her feel honored to share your Stoic reign, fostering resilience and self-improvement. Say aloud, "My strength is..." Choose one word: resilience, purpose, or control. Share it with a friend who needs this wisdom. Together, we'll build a brotherhood of Stoic reign. Sixth, choose connections wisely. Imagine her watching you in a lively gathering, noting how you engage only with those who earn your time. Women value men who choose wisely, not desperately. Musonius Rufus said, "Choose what strengthens your character, not what flatters your desires." Praise her unique qualities, her insight, her resolve, not shallow charms. Be present, yet hold your time as precious. This Stoic philosophy, taught by Rufus, elevates your worth, making her seek your approval, a key to emotional intelligence in relationships. Seventh, embrace emotional variety. Picture her voice rising, recounting a betrayal, emotions a whirlwind. Women crave emotional highs and lows, not monotony. Marcus Aurelius noted, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Men who always agree bore her. Tease lightly, question her ideas, or step back if she overlooks you. This isn't cruelty. It's Stoicism in love, keeping her engaged with variety. Stay steady in her storm, showing emotional control, deepening attraction, and easing turmoil. Eighth, reveal yourself slowly. She reaches out, expecting your full tale, but you offer a glimpse, hinting at a new endeavor. Women love uncovering a man layer by layer, not reading an open book. Epictetus said, "Know first who you are, and then adorn yourself accordingly." Reveal stories slowly, keep some pursuits private, respond at your own pace. This Stoic philosophy fuels curiosity, enhancing mindfulness and Stoic mindset. Ninth, demand respect. Imagine her withdrawing, assuming you'll pursue. You don't, choosing your own path instead. Women respect men who won't tolerate disregard. Seneca taught, "He who is brave is free." Step back calmly. I value respect. Let's connect when you're ready. This Stoic reign shifts the dynamic, making her seek you, a testament to resilience and self-reliance. 10th, inspire growth. In a spirited exchange, you hold your ground, respectfully challenging her view, sparking her interest. Women seek men who inspire growth, not easy victories. Marcus Aurelius said, "The art of living is more like wrestling than dancing." Stand firm, jest playfully, set high standards. This Stoic mindset drives emotional growth, making her value your respect, fueling self-improvement. To master these truths, embrace 4 Stoic exercises, forging your Stoic reign. First, the Stoic beacon. Each day for 5 minutes, sit with a small token, a stone, a ring. Repeat, I guide my mind, not her tides. Recall a moment you stood firm, like ignoring a slight. Write, today I choose resilience. This builds mindfulness, rooting you in Stoic philosophy. Second, the still anchor. Once weekly for 10 minutes in a quiet space, envision a test. A dismissive word, a broken plan. See yourself pausing, breathing, responding with strength. Write, her storm doesn't sway me. This forges emotional intelligence, strengthening Stoicism daily. Third, the purpose flame. Monthly for 15 minutes, note a time you sought approval, perhaps chasing her favor. Place it in a vessel saying, I release need, I kindle purpose. Picture your Stoic reign rising. Write, my mission sparks inner strength. This channels Stoicism motivation. Fourth, the resolve vault. Every 2 weeks for 10 minutes, reflect on a boundary you upheld, like declining a hasty request. Visualize sealing it in a mental vault, unshaken by tests. Right? My worth is my standard. This strengthens Stoic mindset, ensuring relationships thrive with self-confidence. Women don't hold your power. Stoic philosophy does. In a world of noise and shifting tides, Stoicism offers clarity. Master your mind, not her heart. You're a Stoic Reign, unmoved by validation. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Choose Stoic mindset. Choose self-improvement. Choose you." Say I'm unbreakable to join our brotherhood. Seek our Stoic Reign teachings to deepen your Stoic wisdom and forge lasting resilience. Share your strength, resilience, purpose, or control with a friend using our banner's mark. Speak your greatest insight for a chance to be honored. Seek our 10 weaknesses. Guide beneath our banner's light. Let this wisdom reach another soul lost in pursuit, igniting resilience and personal development. Your journey in Stoicism begins now. Be Stoic. Be unstoppable.